Good afternoon, everybody. Today's going to be kind of a special day. It's Saturday, right past noon, and I am going to cook a stew and mix a stew together that I'm going to can with meat. And so it's going to be about 45 minutes in the pressure cooker, but I'm going to take 3 steps here. And the first step here is I'm just going to show you all the different ingredients and that are going to go in here. We're going to have some, first of all, the meat. I'm going to be using hamburger and probably about 1 kilo, which is like 2 pounds of hamburger. And in the hamburger, I'm going to cut up some green peppers. I'm going to cut up some onions and I'm going to add some garlic right there, okay? And I'm going to brown the hamburger, okay? And that, of course, will also cook the peppers and the onions and the garlic. When the hamburger is browned, by that time, I'm going to have taken potatoes and I'm going to quarter those up into small pieces and I'm going to have peeled the carrots and going to cut those into small pieces. Aha! I am missing my beans here. I have to go to the garden and pick some beans. And we're going to cut up the beans and and this will all be put in a big bowl and and then will be put, there's Beth here, she's helping out and I'm going to put it in 2 pots here. All I want to do, once I get it in the 2 pots, is to bring it to a boil. In the meantime, I'm going to boil my jars and should be all set. You don't really have to cook this. You just want to bring the water to a boil, and I'm going to add seasonings here. Beth kind of covered it up here. I've got some garlic and pepper. I've got black pepper seasoning, Italian, and oregano leaves. I've also got soy sauce and some salt here. Going to add all those ingredients in for flavor and then kind of taste the juice and see what the flavor is like. Like I said, all you're going to have to do is be able to bring it to a boil. Once it reaches the boiling point, even though it's not cooked except the meat is the only thing I'm going to cook beforehand and but don't dark brown it, don't overcook it, just basically just a good start on the cooking and in the meantime then I'll come back and show you how these ingredients and how I'm going to can them. So I'll let you go for now and I'll be back with the next video here to show the process of after it's been cooked and everything's ready for the canning process. So
yeah, thank you guys.
And yeah, thanks for viewing, and we'll be back in a little while with the conclusion of this experiment in being able to can a stew product with vegetables and meat together.